Back at it again. Welcome back to Teezy's world, huh? This is what we're working with. You see that? It's cooling. Cooling. You see the green? Hood up. Alright? So this is what we're gonna do today. My car ran hot on me. I was trying to see if it was a thermostat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a thermostat in it, and once I put a thermostat in it, I'm gonna see if it cools it down. I'm gonna put a summer thermostat, by the way, too, to 170 instead of the 190. So let me run the auto zone, get the thermostat, and I'm gonna be back. Back from auto zone. All they had was one bottle of antifreeze. I don't understand that. How you gonna sell parts and have one bottle of antifreeze? Come on now, it's summertime. But when you buy antifreeze, I always get the concentrate. Ain't no point in you buying 50-50. For what? You're gonna pay them for your water. And here goes thermostat. There's 180. Comes out of that bad boy right there. Look at that. Look at that. But then again, I'm gonna tell you something. That might be the reason why, because when you pull it out, it should be water off in there.
Ain't letting nothing come through.
Ain't letting nothing come through. That's my problem. So hey, we're gonna get this thermostat in. 2 bolts. Boom, boom, boom. Take them out. Huh? 2 bolts. That's it. Then you take off. See, this joke got a fancy contraption on it. Look at that. And it got an extra screw over there. I'm a grandma kid. I just, take that off and I'm done. But hey, you gotta do something. I don't know what it's for. Can't explain it to you. But I'm about to get this in. Then we gonna crank it up. See if it stay cool. So no leaks yet. Let's see. Check the temperature. My light came on. But that was still cold. So we're gonna let it run for an hour or two. Then we're gonna come back and see. Nah, the water pump easy. Alright, so we figure out the culprit. If you look down there, you got drip. It's the water pump. It's the water pump. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to turn it off, and we're gonna go get a water pump. See what that do. Got it off. We struck gold. Look at that. Got it off. Let's see if I can show it to y'all. She dropped off down there somewhere. Struck gold, baby. Huh? Got the water pump on. She ain't leaking or squealing no more. Look at that. Holding coolant, holding the temp. You don't see, gonna let it run for about an hour. Maybe less. You don't see. It ain't puking. That's the main thing. It ain't puking. Now we taking it on a test drive. Huh? Taking it on a test drive to see if it's holding up. So, we finna drive. Baby girl wanted some McDonald's. Ain't that right, baby girl? Yeah, I know that's right. Huh? Baby girl wants some McDonald's, so we gonna see if it warm up. Pulling back into the work, babe. Look at her. Huh? She's still cool. So the answer to your question, you changed the water pump. You changed the thermostat. Man, you should be good because that's the entire cooling system outside the radiator. Huh? I'm telling you. I'm just so excited right now. Look at that. The engine light came on when it ran hot on me. So I'm assuming since I done changed this, what's gonna happen is it's gonna eventually cut off, or if it ain't off by tomorrow, I'm gonna take the auto zone. But listen to me. It do work. Change your thermostat and get a cool thermostat. Get one for the summer. Change your thermostat. Change your water pump, and you shouldn't be overheating unless your radiator leaking. Other than that, you should be good. Huh? So is it fixed or is it fixed? You tell me. I don't know. But hey, JT's is out. Thanks for stopping by again. Until next time.